Hello everyone, welcome today. Today on a Thursday, Thursday, February the 24th, 2022. We have not so good news. We have only one regular Sudoku, medium Sudoku, and not so good news because we have also no extra puzzles. No extra puzzles. Let me show you. So what I will do is I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the yesterday's edition. The yesterday's edition of Wednesday. We have three puzzles left. Let me show you here. We have 2 pages to go. This is the last page. Yes. All right. So no extra Sudoku, so this edition is the Wednesday edition. Wednesday, February the 23rd. We have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, and the tectonic. I will solve this later. But there's also not so good news. The daily news. Yes, the daily news. Look, the invasions of the Russians. Yes, Russian enter Ukraine. So told you maybe World War III is coming. So yeah, it's not so good a war because all the prices are increasing. Gasoline, petrol, but also food, electricity. Everything is expensive. Yeah. Anyway, let me start with this medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 4172. Yes, 4172. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus. In additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Okay, a lot of ones. Yeah. Okay, a 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this 3rd row, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in the first column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So the 3rd column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. On last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1. All right. Let me see. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column, in that column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the 3rd row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the 3rd column, 6 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column, in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 4. Okay. Alright. How about the number? Let me see which number I can pick. Well. Okay. 5 in this column. 5 in the middle column. So the column, in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers are 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Okay, 8. I cannot continue with 8. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this third column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. Here 7 in this row, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. Okay, 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then we have here, let me see, 3, 9, 2, yeah, 2. Okay. 8. 2 missing numbers in the third row. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Okay, 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Well, 7 in this third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, so no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the first column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Alright, now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. Okay, 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 4, number 3. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can see digit number 5. Number 5, okay. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here, the same here, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be an 8. Find the 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, not quite a 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm analyzing for more than 4 weeks these center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I do not know. I'm gathering all the data. Here we have 549, 549, 549, 297, 297, 297, 413, 413. So here we have 2 pairs, I believe, the 4 and the 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 2 pairs. Okay. Again, thank you for watching, and maybe in the evening later on I will solve the other 3 puzzles in the yesterday's edition. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.